Here we go. Proof that you can get a Grant 2 from a box. Low noise. Obviously we get the atmospherics. That's not. That's just atmospherics. And I'm in a shop next to a shopping centre, remember, so we also get crap from there. You can see the level of noise. We go, where are we now? This is USB, LSB, UK40 for all those that need it. There you go, channel 19, ASC off, ASC on. So about the 1S point, perfectly acceptable. When I can show you on my old premium, the noise was there. So change, go through the bands. Again, we were there before. That's the mid band. At the moment we're in a thunder, just past a thunderstorm, so lots of coughs and farts and whistles here. Plus the shopping centre noise, as I say. This is where the truckers are from Hungary. They normally chit chat here, but it's day after the holidays, so it's quiet. You can see the noise level. More on the DX setting because we can turn. There, that's the local setting, and the DX. So you can see there's a difference. Just a shame nobody chatting. Be much easier. So if the taxi drivers are down here, and they're in the city, no, nothing there. But anyway, the point of the video is literally you can see that a lot of the demons have gone. No. Literally nothing happening here. Powerful of course, I guess. But there you go. We'll be back later when the storm cell's gone through a bit more. And in the hunt for some voices. But this is it. It's a premium Grant from a box, off the shelf, no noise.